if you have starting issues when it's really cold and it wouldn't start, it doesn't throw any check engine lights or anything, but the reason is these relay getting stuck. When it gets stuck, it wouldn't start. So and I have a new one. Part numbers are different, but it's identical. I guess it works. The one I'm putting is, and it ends at 87024. So goes in like this. And if you have this issue when you try to start a Toyota Prius or a CT200 and it just lights comes on, it wouldn't start, that's the issue.